I've noticed throughout our conversation this evening, pottery and mudding or whatever you're calling it, it has its own, it's its own world and its own vocabulary and everything. So is the nomenclature, the guys will like that big word.
I like that.
Whoa!
Is that...
Watch out!
I would have said lingo.
Oh my goodness!
Lingo.
Is that just something you picked up going through school, or is there a glossary? How to talk?
What was that word, Mary? What was
You got an ebook?
Nomenclature.
Nomenclature?
Nomenclature.
Jamie, say that.
Nomenclatus?
Lingo.
The wheels are off.
They're falling off.
When I was in college, because I was a sculpture major and clay was my medium, I did take ceramics classes that taught me the chemistry, and they taught me the nomenclature, they taught me the language, they taught me about viscosity, they taught me about vitrification, they taught me about clay fit and glaze fit and clay bodies and all of that. Like the very first year, if you go to college and you take Ceramics 101, you're going to go into that class and they're going to tell you to open the book and learn the glossary. And that's pretty much across the board. Wherever you go to school, they want you to learn the terminology, which I did that first year. The second year, like we did a little bit of projects in clay. And then the second year was more of like, okay, well, you can do this with clay, or you can build this with clay. And, you know, you get different assignments that let you stretch projects. And then by the third and fourth year, you're pretty much set off to like study on your own. Like you figure out what your voice is in the medium and try and solve your own problems. But yeah, it definitely was something that I have book knowledge of, and not just, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and thought it'd be cool to like throw out some slang.
Yeah, that would be cool though.
Yeah, right.
I mean, you know, YouTube University is pretty thorough sometimes, but
it can be, yeah.
You know,
but do you really know that what you're getting is real learning, or is it just somebody making stuff up?
Right. So,
like that, Jake.
I'm telling you. Hey, sometimes I make videos just because I want to make a video and people believe me. You know what I mean?
There you go.
You want to pick a color? You want to pick a color? I'll tell you about that color. It's called Make Pretty.
Yeah. It's shiny.